What's this classical music?
Yeah, I don't know. I've been hearing it on the radio recently, and I bought a new CD that just came out of it.
That's so tough.
So how was school?
Yeah, I mean, it kind of sucked ass, I'm not gonna lie, because Mr. Horwath died. He started coughing and shit.
Damn, dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, he just started, like, coughing and shit. And then, like, next thing you know, the paramedics are here, and, like, bro, I don't even know. Like, I searched it up last night on Google, and, like, I don't even know. Like, it's just, like, this new, like, flu thing.
So was this on the radio?
Yeah, it was on the radio last weekend. It was
You just coughed?
What? I coughed? What? Honestly, I don't think it's that. What the fuck? Damn!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Oh my fucking God.